Hello. Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 2412. Today's date is 27 March 2022. वाजले आता रात्रीचे 10 वाजले. All right. So basically, like at 25, at 26, I decided that I have to achieve 500 subscriber, but eventually I achieve that target at 25 यानी 25 तारीख तक ही यानी 25 तारीख end of the 25 I achieve 500 subscriber. The rate of the subscriber I'm getting is was exponential, like basically before, when I was kind of like getting some sort of traffic, I was getting 10 or 15 subscriber per day. Okay, but right now I'm getting almost like a 40-50 subscriber per day, but sometimes I didn't really get any subscriber. Today I get almost like a 15 subscriber. Yes, not that much, but day after, like a yesterday, I like a day before yesterday I get 43 subscriber, so it was really great. Why is this thing happened? Because of that key, I'm actually putting lots of content on a YouTube. So basically YouTube is recommend my content to the more and more people. So basically YouTube algorithm works when you have more and more content. Obviously the quality of the content is really matter, but quantity of the content is also matter. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to tell you is that ki quality means like that ki how many likes, comments and people what does think about that and what they get. So that is quality. Quantity means how much number of uploads. So when you upload the quantity of videos, so you have to reduce little bit of quality in such a videos. Okay, I'm actually uploading. Wait, there is a thing. Ah, ah, ah. Wait, okay. I'm sorry for this, all those things. Okay, so what is exactly happened? Ki, what is So basically, I set up a new target that I have to achieve, by the looking of the progress that I'm getting every day on a YouTube. I'm actually thinking that ki I will achieve 600 subscriber till the end of 28 March. And today is 27 March, and right now I have subscriber. Let me just refresh it. 5,900 and 597. So basically just 3 subscriber remaining for the 600. So this is the thing that I achieve बिफोर द शेड्यूल. यानी मैंने सोचा था कि 28 तक हो जाएगा, पर ये 27 में ही हो गया. यानी अभी 3 सब्सक्राइबर तो अभी रात के 12 बजे तक तो डेफिनेटली हो जाएंगे. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक? Like I didn't really achieve. Okay, so maybe I will I will set up a target tomorrow. I will not set up target today. Okay, because I didn't really achieve that thing. And as also there is a thing which is I'm kind of like a very lock with my thing is that कि I have to upload 20 reels per day. Okay, और इसमें कुछ ही नहीं होगा. And this is the thing that I have to do it. I have to do it even if I get subscriber things, views, I don't really care. मुझे बस अपलोड करना है. Okay, सो व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है कि the problem I'm facing is that ki I have so much data of I have almost like a 2 hours 3 hours of gameplay data, which is kind of like a really massive. If you wanted to sort out almost like a 10 and 50 second of shot for the reel, it is kind of like a very difficult to crop out 14-15 second from the 2 and 4 hour of gameplay data, which is kind of like a really massive. And as also yeah, you can do this, but it takes so much time. Yeah, definitely, because of that key I do have experience from Red Dead Redemption. Like basically before that Red Dead Redemption, I was actually uploading directly. I didn't really cut anything. I just try to do some sort of fast and things like that, but just I just upload directly. Okay, I didn't really edit that much. But since I'm editing my gameplay, so right now I can understand that ki what does people want and what does kind of like your content is delivered to those people. Okay, so that is actually I'm very much focused. So since I'm playing this GTA 5 and as also I'm editing the GTA 5, so I decided that ki I have to make this gameplay is as good as possible, like a यानी best quality and less time consuming, and basically people will get engaging. Okay, but I'm not actually putting the quality. Okay, I'm actually just kind of like just cutting the part, that's it. And that really helped me a lot for making a reels. क्योंकि अगर 2-3 घंटे का गेम प्ले से आप 15-20 मिनट का 15-20 मिनट का जो एक्चुअल गेम प्ले आप निकालते हो, एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हो, फिर उसमें से 15 या 20 सेकंड के जो रील्स बनते हैं ना, वो काफ़ी ईजीली बन जाते हैं. इट डजेंट टेक दैट मच टाइम एंड इट वॉज क्विकली इज हैपन्ड. सो दैट्स वाई आई डिसाइडेड दैट कि आफ्टर द एडिटिंग गेम प्ले you have to edit your reels. Okay, and that is the best way. So that is all I'm doing. So problem ये आ रही है कि actually I'm editing the gameplay and simultaneously I'm editing reels after the gameplay. यानी gameplay edit करने के बाद जो extract हुआ data, उस extract हुआ data से मैं reels बना रहा हूँ. So basically I cannot make a reels if I didn't really edit my gameplay. Okay, so that is a very thing, क्योंकि unintentionally I have to upload 20 reels, but unfortunately for making those reels I have to edit 4 or 5, sometimes 6 or 7 gameplay in each day, every day. Like yesterday, day before that I was uploaded 27 files. Yesterday I was uploaded 25 files. Day before that I was uploaded almost like a 26-25 files. So like a 20 reels and 5 gameplay. So it was so much thing. Okay, so that's why I was kind of like so many things. Like right now today I uploaded 20 reels and 5 gameplays. Okay, and still 20 reels is remaining. And as also I didn't really complete my game, dude. Okay, क्योंकि just like that कि right now I'm editing so much and I'm putting like so much time consuming. Like I was actually set up in front of my desktop almost like a 10-12 hour. I was constantly editing. I didn't really play any games. Okay, I was just editing, uploading, खत्म. Okay, बस यही कर रहा हूँ मैं. और whatever, I will not actually taking so much time in this making Artify episode, because after this Artify episode I have to record the podcast and I have to talk something really special in that thing. And right now I'm really tired because yesterday I sleep almost like 5 hours. यानी 5 घंटे सोया मैं कल रात. So I am so tired. Okay, I don't know how things are make. Should we record podcast? Let's just hold the podcast for a while. Okay, क्योंकि I don't know. This is it. Thank you.